How to turn on developer mode on Chromebook OS. So if you want to turn on the developer mode on Chromebook OS, then just follow the steps. So first, before proceeding, you just need to simply power off your Chromebook. And the first step you need to do is power on. Once you power on, you just need to simply press and hold escape plus refresh on your keyboard, then press the power button while the Chromebook is booting up. And after that, you will get this kind of interface. And after that, you just need to simply press Ctrl plus D on your keyboard and you'll see a message warning which says you are attempting to enable the developer mode. You just need to simply use the keys to confirm that you are entering developer mode and press enter. And after that, press Ctrl plus D again and then wait for it to restart. And after that, you will see you are in your recovery mode screen. And at last, you need to simply press Ctrl D again to dismiss the message. So that's how you can enable or turn on your developer mode by just pressing Ctrl plus D. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.